Hi everyone, this video is for English 103. We are going to be focusing on Module 13. The end is near. We are just 2-3 weeks out of finishing the semester. So in Module 13, if you scroll down into activities, there's really only one graded item for this module, and that's going to be the forum. So you can see there's lots of resources for you, but there's only one graded activity. So we're going to take a look at this. This is a forum posting, discussion forum. You've done these before. In this one, it's very important you pay attention to the instructions for a couple of reasons. One, so you know what to do, of course. But the other is, if you look, we have lots of embedded links in here in case you need them. So ultimately, for this particular discussion forum, you are going to upload a draft of your essay wherever you're at. Now, when I say upload a draft, keep in mind, we get you're not done. I mean, you're not supposed to be done. This is your working draft. So don't worry about it being perfect or error-free or any of those kinds of things. Or if you don't have it totally done, understandable. And if you are still in the process and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do for this, that, or the other thing, that's why we embedded these links here so you can easily go back within the module and find particular information. So let's just start here. I want you to post using whatever the working title is of your essay. So if you don't know what I mean by that, then go see the title's PowerPoint presentation. Link into that. I do not want you to post with informative research essay draft. No, I want you to post. I want the topic when you go to post, add new discussion topic. I want you to post using whatever your title is. So right there, that is whatever your title of your essay is. And then you are going to upload your Microsoft Office Word document file. Now to do that, you want to go to Advanced. And when you go to Advanced, you saw my screen changed. It allows you to upload your file. You do need to have this in Microsoft Office Word. The reason is so others can review it. So you will upload it here just like you upload all your other assignments. And then after you've uploaded your draft, post. Okay? Now let's say you're like, oh my gosh, I don't really know what my draft is supposed to look like or what I'm supposed to be doing with this paper. This is the other links that we've given you to go back and, okay, if you want to take a look at things. So maybe you want to take a look at the sample research papers. Like, well, what are these papers supposed to look like? Or what kind of commenting is going to be happening on drafts? Okay, you can take a look at those. Maybe you don't know how to structure your paper, or maybe you're still in the outline stage. Maybe you're not done there. Okay, let's take a look at those. So that's what those are about. After you have posted, after you've uploaded your draft, then you need to go in and download someone else's draft and review it using the informative research essay peer review form. So you need to click on this link right here. That's where you get the form. And once you click on it, it's going to download and open, and it's going to look like this. So for the essay draft that you download, you need to go in and look at all of these things. You're going to review all of these. And then you have to answer yes or no to each and every one. And then if you do no, I want you to make a comment, a suggestion of how they could improve. You know, take an example out of it. So maybe, oh, I don't know. Let's take a look at, does the thesis use key terms, including unique terms? Maybe said no. No, it doesn't. Great. Maybe suggest one they could use. And then, of course, when you're done, I want you to answer the 2 reflection questions. The first is, what advice are you going to give them to improve? And then this one, after you've read through someone else's, what do you see in your own draft now? In other words, take it home. It's like, oh my gosh, I noticed they didn't have a title, or they didn't have topic sentences, or whatever. I need topic sentences. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, or maybe what you saw in theirs, you realize you don't have in yours. So, whatever. This is a reflection. What do you think you need to do on your own personal draft? And then, of course, when you are done with this, you save and then upload it as a reply. That form is your reply to them. Okay. Now, one of the big things you should do is you should get writing consultation. It's not required at this point. Most of you have fulfilled that requirement within the class. However, this is a fairly heavy weighted essay, and consultations will do nothing but help you. So I recommend in this particular essay that you get one for your draft, and then also get another one before you submit your final upload. They're just fabulous and they're free. So I strongly encourage you to make a writing consultation. And again, go to the writing consultation page on our Moodle page, which is in SMC support services. If you can see, I clicked on that, scroll down, it is Carol A. Tate. And then there are videos. If you have not done one, they talk about, how they work and, what happens. And then if you want to make an appointment, you just click on that appointment link and it takes you right there and it'll pull up for you. It won't pull up for me because I'm the teacher and it's being kind of crabby. Okay. Let me stop share. I think that's it for this module. I normally want you to post by Wednesday. I'm going to move that date. Probably I want you to get your post done by more like Friday and then your reply done by Sunday. I think that's it. I'm just trying to think if there's anything else I need to tell you other than next week, you're going to have to submit the final copy for grading. So, that's the deadline for the final draft. That's coming up. And then next week, I'm going to open the rest of the course up. There's only 2 modules left. I'm going to open them both at the same time. The big one is this particular informative final submission. There are a couple other little minor things, a reflective writing I want you to do in a forum, and of course survey, a couple little things like that. But we're pretty much close to the end of the semester. So after I open up the last 2 modules to you, now remember, that's not going to be till next week. And at that point, there'll be no further work assigned or any of those kinds of things. And your time should just really be dedicated to wrapping things up with course survey, reflective writing, those little things, conferencing with me if you are not successfully completing the class to see if there's a way for you to successfully complete. I'm in the process of doing withdrawal notices. If you get a withdrawal notice, that means I've already done the math for you. There's no opportunity for you to successfully complete the class, which means to get a C or higher. Okay. It's not to be confused with passing. Passing, you can pass a class at like a D or a D minus. But in the college world, successful completion is considered a C, and that's important for if you want this class to count for credit or count in transferring to another institution. I think that's it. As always, reach out to me with any questions or concerns. Happy writing.